Hello friends, welcome to GK Babaji YouTube channel. In this video, we will be presenting 30 most important multiple choice questions on coronavirus which shall be useful for all upcoming competitive exams. So let's get started. Question 1. When was the first case of coronavirus disease 2019, that is COVID-19, identified? Here are the options. The correct answer is December 2019. In December 2019, the first case of COVID-19 was identified. Question 2. Which strain of coronavirus causes COVID-19? Here are the options. The correct answer is SARS-CoV-2. Question 3. First case of coronavirus disease 2019, that is the COVID-19, was identified in Wuhan, China. Wuhan is located in which province of China? These are the options. The correct answer is Hubei. Question 4. In India, first case of COVID-19 infection was reported from which state? Here are the options. The correct answer is Kerala. In Kerala, on 27 January 2020, the first case of COVID-19 infection in India was reported. Question 5. Under what name Indian government undertook a massive repatriation operation to bring back stranded Indians in different parts of the world in the wake of coronavirus crisis? Here are the options. The correct answer is Vande Bharat Mission. Question 6. Which application was launched by Punjab state government to sensitize people on how to deal with COVID-19? Here are the options. The correct answer is COVA Punjab. The name of the application was COVA Punjab, where COVA stands for Coronavirus Alert. Moving on to the next question. The name coronavirus is derived from Latin word corona, which means, here are the options. The correct answer is crown. Next question. India announced to donate how much funds as its initial contribution to support the SARC COVID-19 emergency fund? These are the options. The correct answer is $10 million. India announced to donate $10 million as its initial contribution to support the SARC COVID-19 emergency fund. Next question. World Bank has approved how much funds to help developing countries to buy and distribute coronavirus vaccines? Here are the options. The correct answer is $12 billion. Question 10. Which state government observed Mask Day on 18 June 2020 to raise awareness about wearing masks in wake of coronavirus outbreak? Here are the options. The correct answer is Karnataka. Question 11. Which system of the human body gets most affected by COVID-19? These are the options. The correct answer is respiratory system. Question 12. Which among the following became the first state in India to cross 1 crore COVID-19 detection test? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question 13. Which among the following are main symptoms of COVID-19 infection? Here are the options. Correct answer is all of the above, that is fever, loss of smell, loss of taste. In addition to this, there are many other symptoms. Question 14. India's first dedicated coronavirus hospital was set up in which city? These are the options. The correct answer is Mumbai. Next question, India's first dedicated coronavirus hospital, which has been set up in Mumbai, was funded by which private entity? Here are the options. The correct answer is Reliance Industries. Question 16. Which state launched Break the Chain campaign, where cartoon characters were used to convey important social messages like wash hands regularly using soap or sanitizer, wear masks, and continue to keep social distancing? Here are the options. The correct answer is Kerala. Moving on to the next question. Due to COVID-19 outbreak, which major sport event was postponed for the first time in its history? These are the options. The correct answer is Olympic Games, Tokyo 2020. Next question. Which activity was started by Delhi government to curb the spread of coronavirus pandemic? Here are the options. The correct answer is Operation Shield. In Operation Shield, the word SHIELD stands for Sealing, Home Quarantine, Isolation and Tracking, Essential Supply, Local Sanitization and Door-to-Door Checking. Question 19. Indian government launched MyGov Corona Help Desk chatbot on which social media platform to address users' queries related to coronavirus in real time with automated responses? These are the options. The correct answer is WhatsApp. MyGov Corona Help Desk, which is a chatbot, was launched by Indian government on WhatsApp. Question 20. Which test is used to detect COVID-19 infection? Here are the options. The correct answer is RT-PCR, which stands for Reverse Transcription Polymerase Chain Reaction. Question 21. Which fund was created on 28th March 2020 following the COVID-19 pandemic in India? Here are the options. Correct answer is PM CARES, which stands for Prime Minister's Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situations. Moving on to the next question. Which among the following is an Indian COVID-19 contact tracing, syndromic mapping and self-assessment mobile app? Here are the options. The correct answer is Arogya Setu, which has been developed by the National Informatics Center under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Question 23. The 2020 edition of which Grand Slam tennis tournament was cancelled due to COVID-19 pandemic? Here are the options. The correct answer is Wimbledon. Next question. As per Union Cabinet's decision, salaries of central ministers and members of parliament, including Prime Minister, will be cut by %, for 1 year with effect from April 2020 in view of the coronavirus outbreak and the expected downturn in economy. These are the options. The correct answer is 30%. The salaries of central ministers, members of parliament including Prime Minister will be cut by 30% for 1 year with effect from April 2020. Question 25. Which among the following is the world's first registered vaccine against coronavirus? Here are the options. The correct answer is Sputnik V, which has been developed in Russia. Question 6. BNT162b2 vaccine against COVID-19 has been developed by which multinational pharmaceutical company? Here are the options. Correct answer is Pfizer. Question 27. One more question on the vaccine. Which among the following is India's indigenous COVID-19 vaccine? Here are the options. The correct answer is Covaxin by Bharat Biotech, which has been developed in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research and National Institute of Virology. Question 28. Which among the following book by Muhammad Abdul Manan details the origin and spread of coronavirus? Here are the options. The correct answer is Behind the Mask. Question 29. In December 2020, a new coronavirus mutant strain which spreads up to 70% faster was reported from which country? Here are the options. The correct answer is United Kingdom. Question 30. This will be the last question. What name has been given to new coronavirus mutant strain which has been reported from United Kingdom in December 2020? These are the options. The correct answer is VUI 202012/01. So friends, if you found this quiz useful, please hit the like button. You may even share it with your friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Please subscribe to our channel GK Babaji. Thank you. Have a good day.